Hi folks, I wanted to give a really fast tip video on working with the footer. Specifically a footer like this one where we have a very simple, we have a font awesome icon, a tagline, and then sort of a logo, a text logo of your website. Now this is very similar to updating the website name, um, but I want to keep that look. Actually, let me go back there. I want to keep the look that we have here, this animation effect. As we scroll down and into the page, you see we have the icon come down, the name come up. When we have some sort of animation effect, updating you want to be careful with, and I'll show you how. Let's go to our library, our shared, and our footer LBI. Let's open that up and let's flip it right into code view. Okay, you can do this in design view, but there's a good chance you may knock some things off, and also you can't see the font awesome icon if in this particular example, right? Your template may be a little bit different, but in this example this is what we have, right? So you can flip it over to code view, and here is the font awesome icon for your footer right there. Right now we've also added the data wow and the class of fade in down. I have another video, a tips video that talks about the wow and the fade in and the animate.css. I'll provide a link to that as well so you can be familiar. If you want to change these animation effects, you can certainly go and do that. But for now, all we want to do is focus on changing the icon class name, which is right here. And I'll also provide a link to the font awesome tips to go into greater detail. But let's just say we wanted this to be the Firefox logo. So I would double click on the paw, type in Firefox, right? And then down here where it says making awesome websites for you, that's our tagline. So right where the text is sort of sectioned out in black, we don't want to knock off the tag that's above or below it. We want to change just the text inside so that we don't accidentally corrupt or knock off any of the classes or the delays or anything like that we've added for the animation. So we just select the text here with our cursor. This is, I can't even type properly, is our new tagline. See? Thank goodness for no spell check. And then down at the very bottom are the two words we have in our logo. If you have more than one word for your logo, this is going to work great. If not, just delete the bottom one and then type in the single word in the top space there. But if you have more than one word, then you can type in the first word here, logo, update. And there we go. And you can use upper or lowercase, whatever you want. But as long as you keep the span classes intact above and below, you'll be good to go. So let's just update our page. We'll refresh here and we'll have a little look to see what's going on. I'm just going to scroll up and out of view so we can see that loading animation effect as we come in. Scroll on down and not quite ready yet, so let's try that again. Scroll down. Yeah, sometimes it takes 30 seconds to update the site. So let's try this. There we go. The Firefox logo, this is our new tagline and logo, and update. Everything is animated and kept that loading process that we had in the original version.